Hello, welcome to another A-Level Physics multi-choice question. Before I start, if you look up on the top right hand of the screen, you'll see there's an option to go to a different question in the same series, in this particular case in another current electricity question. Anyway, if you are going to do this question, you want to give it a go yourself, please pause the video now. If you've got the answer B, well done. And if you want to listen to my explanation, keep watching. The table shows corresponding values of potential difference and current for 4 different electrical components A, B, C and D. Which component is an ohmic conductor with the greatest resistance? Well, let's first of all consider this ohmic conductor. Ohmic conductors are things that have a constant resistance, or we can say that they current is directly proportional to the potential difference. And directly proportional means if the potential difference doubles, the current must double. If the potential difference triples, the current must triple. So let's just have a quick look and see whether we can see whether which one of these is proportional in terms of potential difference and current. So let's look at I. So potential difference is 2. If we double the potential difference to 4, well, we don't get a doubling of the current, we get an infinite increase, so it certainly can't be A. 2 to 4, that doubles. 2 to 6, 3 times, yeah, 3 times. If you follow all these all the way down, that B definitely, if we double the potential difference, triple the potential difference, the current follows in the same pattern. C, if you check it out, you'll see that also, again, doubling the potential difference doubles the current. 4 times the potential difference, 4 times the current, so D is a possibility. Let's look at D. Well, doubling the potential difference, yeah, that's okay. Tripling the potential difference, yeah, that's okay. Quadrupling the potential difference, no. If I quadruple 0.3, we would get 1.1. So D is not a possibility. So the possibilities are B and C. They are both ohmic conductors. So now we just need to see which one has the largest resistance of B and C. Well, resistance is equal to potential difference over current. And if we look, easiest to look at the largest potential difference, I think. If we look at the potential difference when they both have 12 volts, B has a smaller current than C. Well, it must be a smaller current because it has a larger resistance. So the correct answer is B. If you found this useful, press that subscribe button, press the like button and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.